Hello, welcome to this tutorial for the Tuxbase.com and for the search engine optimization tutorial series. It's our first year on YouTube. It's the end of the first year, and so I'm uploading this entire series in a week so that people can learn how to optimize their profits and their traffic to their websites. In this tutorial we'll cover listings. So let's get beginning. Right, you could have the perfect product and amazing prices, a beautiful web design, but it won't mean anything if you don't have the right, if you're not indexed on Google, Yahoo, Bing or live search. However, search engines might penalise you if you submit your website to them several times, but there is an easy test to find out whether or not you've been indexed on a search engine, and that's called the site operator. There are 4 different possible situations from this, and the first one is no results found. The second one is around 50% of your pages listed. The third one is around 100% of your pages listed, and the fourth one is about 150% of your pages listed. Now the fourth one might sound a bit odd to you, however I'll explain it all later on in the tutorial. But for now, you might notice that the first, the second and the fourth were obviously wrong and might cause you problems, but there is an easy way to fix this. But first, let's look at the problem number 2. Your site might not yet be indexed, which could cause problem number 1, which is no results found. And an easy solution for that is to go to your favourite search engine and type in add URL to, and then it comes up with a list of several different search engines and websites you can list it to. So if you go through to the ones which you want to actually add it to, go to that URL and insert all the data and then click submit or add URL. The second one, you should only do that to post your home page, because obviously if you post several different pages or every single page of your website, you'll A, be taking forever, and B, you'll just clog up their system and it'll take longer for them to reach you, and you could also get penalised for wasting resources and for several different placing your website there several different times. So only place your home page and it will do the rest itself by crawling through and following links on your pages, and if you have a sitemap uploaded, it will find that and follow that sitemap to every single page on your server or your website. Right, okay, I'll go back to the search operator thing first. And to find out whether or not you're actually on there, you simply type in site:/tts-cms.co.uk, replace that with your website, and it'll come up with the number of results listed from your website. Now I have 3 listed at the moment, and this will increase quite a lot as time goes on, and you'll probably notice it throughout the tutorial series. I'm not sure, depends how quickly it indexes my website again as I place search engine friendliness onto my website. But you can tell, if I was to change that to google.com, had 48 million hits, and that's all different websites listed by Google, all different pages. And so clearly this is a really useful tool because it tells you when you need to submit to search engines, or when you need to actually change your content yourself. If you came up with no results found at all, something like that, did not match any documents, all you would need to do from there is simply go to that link which I showed before, and submit your website to them. Now the second solution is to get links to your website posted by popular websites, which, when I say popular websites, I mean ones which are listed in the top 4 rankings. So if I was to search PHP tutorials, I'd try and get listed on either W3 Schools, Tutorialized, php.net or goodphptutorials.com. Now, obviously, quite a few of these are well-established websites and don't accept comments because they'd lose traffic themselves if people were to come to my website instead. And also, if you try and post a link on something like YouTube or Facebook, Twitter, Bebo, MySpace, any like popular social networking websites, or social media websites, chances are they have no follow meta tags in their comment section, which means that a crawler or a bot will go through their website, but it will not notice that you have actually posted a link there, and it will not follow that link. And so it will be completely wasted time and completely pointless to actually do that at all, unless you're targeting actual people and not to try and get yourself like higher ranks in your search engine listings. Now, problem number 2 is that your website is too hard for a search engine to crawl, which could result in problems 2 or 4, or actually it could even result in problems 1 as well. And basically, even if your results are correct, so even if number 3 appears, you could actually still have this problem. So I'd recommend following the next tutorial, which will be all on search engine friendliness. However, if you think that your website is completely search engine friendly, you do not have to watch the next video, but I'd still recommend that you do watch it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.